Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix notification delay or missing notification on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your notification are missed or you might get delay notifications, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you have to double check your network connection because sometimes it might be that your network connection is weak, so you may get delay notifications on your iPhone or your Android. You can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to refresh your network settings, and after that you have to make sure that your software is up to date, or if you find any pending software update, you have to try to update your software because sometimes your pending software updates might issues with your notification settings. And after that, if you're missing notification from any specific app, so you just have to go for notifications and then you have to look for the specific app. Let's say in my case there might be the Facebook or WhatsApp, so I'm going to select my WhatsApp from here, and you have to make sure that you have enabled allow notification toggle and you have also enabled these all settings. So once you have made sure but you are still having the same issue that your notification is not receiving or having delays, let's see how can you fix that. So the very first way is that you have to make a forced restart. You have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to unlock your phone first. And then you have to check if your issue has been solved or not. If you're still having the same issue, so this is the only way you have to make reset of all of your settings. So open settings app here, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings from here, and then you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password, or it might be you have to verify yourself using your passcode, and after that you have to follow the process and steps, and once your or all settings will be reset, your issue will be automatically fixed. So you can easily try this because it will not delete any type of your data. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.